It's here! I've been seeing ads for TEMU like all over the place and I've been putting it off, but I finally caved and I placed my first order. Let's unbox it together! So I got 4 things. I got a makeup sponge holder in rose gold. I got a white crop top t-shirt. And I got a navy blue sleeveless workout shirt. And pink shorts. Let's see, let's do this pink shorts first. Looks nice. The material feels very cooling. And this sleeveless shirt. It's crop top time! Oh wow, this is like super cropped. For your makeup sponge. Or you can put a hard-boiled egg in here. Make breakfast fancy. Let's try them on and see the fit. This is exactly the fit I was looking for. Kind of like short, mid-thigh above the knee, not too baggy. And this material is like super comfy. Very light, good for summer, good for hot places. Uh-oh. This one didn't really turn out as I hoped. It looks kind of like a comfy t-shirt, which is great. Like, it feels great, but it definitely looked different in the picture. But also, salvageable? It might not be. I just want a sleeveless shirt for someone with no shoulders and flabby arms. How about this? Is this a little bit better? It's like this part. Now we try the crop top. Uh-oh. Cover your eyes. Sexy, right? Oh my god, this is very cropped. As you can see, it's like my bra is here. Whoop, 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 whoop. But to be fair, this is actually not for me, so you're welcome. How's this? Do you think I can pull this off?